Prescient was founded in London in 1995, originally specialising in competitor insight. And since then we've expanded and diversified to become a leading partner to the biopharmaceutical sector, helping them to make decisions and find solution-based evidence based on evidence that we gather. We now have offices all over the world, North America, Europe and Asia, giving us a global perspective and helping our clients succeed in both mature and emerging markets. And in particular, our mission is to help our clients shape their new product, brand and mature product strategies. So who makes up Prescient? Well, as a single industry consulting firm, we have enormous depth of experience in the world of pharma. But what makes us special is that under the same umbrella, we are able to bring together a breadth of insight from our diverse but experienced team and then integrate this knowledge and perspective into a single delivery for our clients. So we have our clinical and medical team, our market access experts, our disease area experts, stakeholder research, competitor insights, and we can bring all this together to make a forecast. So what do our clients want us to do for them? Well, the list ranges from asset development through to brand management, competitive insight, regulatory affairs, market access, market research. It's huge. What's key is that we can tailor a path that's bespoke to their needs. And perhaps the best way of looking at this is to imagine one of those complicated dashboards on a plane cockpit. Within the dials, there will be the levels of support. We can do everything from gathering market evidence through to development of strategic solutions. Engagement format is another dial. We may have ongoing partnerships, but there may be ad hoc consultancies. Strategic stimulation workshops can be done, advisory boards, conference coverage. When it comes to the stage of life cycle, we can cover everything from early phase development through to loss of exclusivity. Our geographic focus ranges from the global to the regional to affiliate teams in mature and developing markets. And our timeline horizon means that we can provide support for near-term tactics and long-term strategies. So, the question next arises, how do we do it? Well, imagine packing up a car for a holiday. So often you have to compromise because there simply isn't enough space for everything to fit. What makes Prescient so effective is that it does have the capacity to incorporate all the different perspectives that different areas of expertise can offer. Disease area expertise, and within that specific expertise within certain areas, for instance oncology or rare diseases, clinical and medical expertise, market access expertise, stakeholder research, competitive insight, and of course forecasting. So what does Prescient aim to deliver? Well, we need to go back to that original mission. There were those three areas: new product planning, brand planning, and mature product planning. New product planning is all about forecasting the commercial opportunity of an asset and looking at opportunities and potential and guidance on the design. Brand planning is all about helping clients develop a strong value proposition from clinical development all the way up to launch. And mature product planning is all about partnering with clients to maximize the clinical and commercial relevance of mature products before and after loss of exclusivity, creating a vision but also changing mindsets. So, who do we work with? Well, we've got access to an extensive network of key opinion leaders, which helps give us an insight into areas of need, but also helps assess and validate different specific hypotheses. Observing and questioning healthcare professionals gives us a real-world insight into clinical behaviours and helps us understand their perspective. Payers give us an insight into the whole aspect of reimbursement. Understanding the patient perspective ensures that the end user is at the head of any product strategy. Analysing the competition gives us a vital insight into current and future dynamics of the market. And what this then means is that we can provide clients with an external perspective of the buying process, the stakeholder behaviour and competitor dynamics. So, where would you fit in? Well, you might be looking to join Prescient as a new graduate, or perhaps coming out of a master's or PhD, possibly from the pharma or business world already. But the skills that we're looking for are broadly the same. You need to be smart with everything that entails. Flexible, agile, adaptable, able to see the big and the small picture. You need to have a strong personal drive, a sense of commitment to seeing through a project, commitment to a team, the determination to do your best, strong communication skills, verbal and written, the confidence to communicate internally and externally, and to be a critical thinker, independently and collaboratively, to be inventive, imaginative, creative, reflective, intuitive, and positive as a thinker. Now, in terms of what you will be expected to do, this depends, of course, on what level you come in at. But from the start, you'll be involved in the planning and coordination of projects. You'll be harvesting data from primary and secondary sources, producing logical analyses of this data, being part of the thinking process that it takes to develop recommendations based on this, adapting as part of different teams and gradually learning how to manage teams. More than anything, be encouraged to develop your own strategic thinking skills. And what could you get out of working for Prescient? Well, at every level, Prescient is committed to your personal development, helping you achieve the goals and reach heights you want to reach. Because of our range of clients and projects, you soon get a very bird's-eye view of how pharma works, but also how business operates. The global perspective and framework Prescient operates in opens up many doors, not just to travel, but interaction in many different cultures. And the range of opportunities that we offer you enables you to discover but also indulge in your passions and wear them on your sleeve. Passions you might have already brought to the workplace, but some you may never have expected to have. But most of all, you get to work alongside a very dynamic, diverse and didactic group of colleagues, getting an insight into how other brilliant minds think. We think that that's a wonderful opportunity, and we hope you will too.